Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Kavitsi Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope your weekend is off to a great start. The Cardano ecosystem is booming, so today I have a real quick dev update for you, as well as some stats for all of you number nerds. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Input Output Global, the research and development arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "What a week. Read all about the latest developments in core technology, wallets and services, smart contracts, and scaling and governance in the inimitable Essential Cardano development update." So let's dive in to the key highlights. Number 1. New mempool optimizations introduced. Number 2. Plinth compiler optimizations introduced and merged. Number 3. Leo simulation demonstrates protocol viability at 1000 TPS transactions per second. Number 4. New smart contract framework for Cardano's treasury. Number 5. Preparations for Fund 14 in progress. And number 6. Ongoing updates to the Cardano education program. Most notably this week is a new smart contract framework for Cardano's treasury. It uses both treasury and vendor contracts, and it's in a way that's super transparent and verifiable. So congrats to the team for creating this. You're doing great things. In other news, the Cardano Foundation has launched Reeve, an open source tool designed for on-chain financial reporting, and also publish their 2024 Financial Insights Report using this new solution. If you want to check out the financial report, I did a whole video on that. I'll link it up above. Intersect announced a partnership with SundaySwap to manage treasury oversight for the upcoming 39 withdrawal governance actions. Input Output has partnered with TXPipe to accelerate developer community growth in Argentina, strengthening regional blockchain innovation. I love how they're expanding in South America. There's so much potential there. The Ouroboros Laos research has been accepted at Crypto 2025, a highly prestigious cryptography conference showcasing Cardano's ongoing research excellence. And Vesper Wallet has open sourced its SDKs, providing developers with powerful tools to seamlessly integrate wallets into their decentralized applications, dee-apps. We're gonna say dee-apps, it's gonna catch on. Dee-apps are decentralized applications. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. Now for this week's stats. 2005 projects building. 1.33 million delegated wallets. 10.84 million native tokens. 217,780 token policies. 139,225 Plutus scripts. 7,888 Aiken scripts. 111.26 million transactions, 1,378 dreps, and 306 GitHub commits. So I want to congratulate all the Cardano developers for all your hard work. The best is yet to come, and it's really starting to pay off. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How are you feeling right now about Cardano, and what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now, the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend who loves this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!